Have you ever experienced a moment that felt strangely familiar, as if you'd lived it before? Or maybe you've had a sudden hunch about something that hadn't happened yet. These weird experiences, which many of us have had, point to how mysterious time can be. Ancient cultures had complex ideas about these things, and now modern physics is starting to look into the very nature of time itself. Today we're going to explore the puzzling aspects of time. We'll look at how your own strange experiences with time might be connected to cutting-edge science and ancient spiritual ideas. What if these odd moments aren't just tricks our minds play on us? Could they actually be showing us something deeper about how the universe works? As we dig into these questions, you might start to wonder about the nature of reality and your place in it. Imagine a world where time flows in endless circles rather than just going in one linear direction. This isn't just a dream, but an idea deeply rooted in ancient cultures. While we often think of time as always moving forward, our ancestors saw it differently. The Aboriginal Australians have a concept called the dream time. It's not just about the past, but a reality where past, present, and future all exist together. The word Alkaringa in their language captures this idea of timeless eternity. The Mayans had a similar view. They created a complex calendar system that showed time as repeating patterns. Their calendar round, which combined two different calendars, created a 52-year cycle that reflected this circular idea of time. Even the ancient Egyptians saw time as cyclical, connecting it to the yearly flooding of the Nile. For them, this natural event symbolized renewal and the ongoing balance between order and chaos. These ancient cultures, through their close connection to nature and careful observation of cycles in the sky and on Earth, understood something profound about time that modern science is just starting to figure out. As we make new discoveries in physics, we're starting to see the wisdom in these old ideas. To really understand what these ancient cultures knew about time, we need to look at quantum mechanics. In this weird world of tiny particles, our usual ideas about cause and effect start to fall apart. We're finding that time might be much more flexible than we thought. What if the future could influence the past? This mind-bending question is at the heart of quantum mechanics, where our usual ideas about cause and effect break down. In the weird world of tiny particles, things happen that make us question what we know about time and reality. Quantum mechanics shows us a universe where particles can be in many states at once, which doesn't make sense in our everyday world. This gets even stranger when we look at experiments that hint the future might change the past. Two experiments, Wheeler's delayed choice and the quantum eraser, have scientists scratching their heads about how time works. In Wheeler's delayed choice experiment, a particle has to choose between two paths. But here's the twist. Scientists decide whether to watch which path it takes after the particle has already gone through. Surprisingly, this late decision seems to affect how the particle behaved earlier. When scientists measure this, they see the interference pattern change based on what they decided to do, even though they decided after the particle's journey. The quantum eraser experiment takes this idea further. In this one, scientists can erase information about which path a particle took, even after detecting it. This creates interference patterns that shouldn't be possible if time only moved forward. In one version, they saw a 95% clear interference pattern after erasing the path information, which goes against what we'd expect. These experiments have led to some big statements from top physicists. John Archibald Wheeler, who came up with the delayed choice experiment, famously said, "It is not the past that determines the future, but the future that determines the past." This sums up how weird quantum mechanics is and what it might mean for how we think about time. When we think about these experiments, we have to face a wild idea. Maybe time doesn't just flow in one direction. The quantum world shows us that past, present, and future might be connected in ways we can't easily understand. Our feeling that time moves in a straight line might just be a simple way of seeing something much more complicated. These experiments don't just matter for physics, They make us question basic ideas about cause and effect and what existence really means. As we keep studying quantum mechanics, we might find that reality is even more complex and mysterious than we ever thought. Picture a cosmic loaf of bread, where each slice represents a moment in time. This image captures the essence of the block universe theory, rooted in Einstein's work on relativity. The theory suggests all points in time exist at once, challenging our view of time as a flowing river. The block universe theory, or eternalism, offers a new perspective on reality. It proposes our universe as a four-dimensional block where every moment is equally real, contrasting with how we experience time passing. This idea helps explain puzzling phenomena like time dilation. Time dilation, introduced by Einstein, shows how time slows down for fast-moving objects compared to stationary ones. The twin paradox illustrates this. A twin traveling to a distant star at near light speed would return younger than their Earth-bound sibling. This age difference isn't fiction, but a result of how time actually works. Science backs up the block universe theory. Experiments with atomic clocks on planes and GPS satellites have confirmed time dilation effects predicted by relativity. Some solutions to Einstein's field equations, like the Gödel metric, describe universes where time travel might be possible, supporting the idea of a timeless universe. The block universe theory helps us understand these time oddities. If all moments exist at once, the flow of time is just how we see it, not a fundamental part of the universe. This raises big questions about reality and our place in it. As we think about this cosmic view, new questions come up. How does the block universe fit with the randomness of quantum mechanics? This clash between these two key theories opens up new areas to explore, hinting at deeper mysteries in the fabric of reality. The block universe theory asks us to consider a reality where past, present, and future are connected parts of a timeless whole, forever changing how we understand existence. What if the present moment, that fleeting instant we call now, is nothing more than an illusion created by our own minds? This mind-bending idea comes from looking at how time and consciousness are connected. Our sense of time might be something our awareness creates, rather than a fixed reality. Recent brain research has uncovered some fascinating things about how we experience time. Using advanced brain scans, scientists have found that our sense of now is actually built from sensory inputs processed over about 400 milliseconds. This means our experience of the present isn't immediate, but a kind of simulation our brain puts together. Our perception of time gets even more interesting when we look at altered states of consciousness. Meditation, for example, can dramatically change how we experience time. People who meditate deeply often say they feel a sense of timelessness, where past, present, and future all blur together. Studies back this up, showing that regular meditation can make time feel like it's stretching out or shrinking. These findings line up with some Eastern philosophical ideas that have long seen time as fluid and tied to consciousness. Modern science is now providing hard evidence for what these ancient traditions suspected. As one expert puts it, time isn't something that exists on its own, it's something we create. These discoveries make us question what reality really is. If our experience of time is so closely tied to our consciousness, what does that mean for how we understand the universe? As we keep exploring time and awareness, we might be on the edge of a big shift in how we think about existence, bringing together old wisdom and new science. Our exploration of time has shown us that reality is more complex than we once thought. Ancient cultures and modern physics both suggest a universe where past, present, and future are deeply connected. This challenges how we see our place in the world and what existence really means. So how can we use these ideas in our everyday lives? Try paying attention to how you experience time. Notice when it seems to speed up or slow down. Think about how your view of past events changes as you learn new things. These simple practices can help you understand the fluid nature of time and see the universe in a new way. Remember that exploring time's mysteries is an ongoing journey. We all have the ability to question, observe, and discover new things about reality. Stay curious and open-minded about the world around you. You might be surprised by what you learn about time, consciousness, and the universe. We kindly invite you to look further beyond the veil of ordinary perception. If this video resonated with you, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with friends and loved ones. May the light of wisdom guide your path, and may the unity of all life inspire you to greater compassion and understanding.